Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing number 165. If we start with this row here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 4, 2 here, so 4, 7, and no help here, so 2, 4, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. No help here. 2, 3, 5, 2 and 3 here, so this is our 5. No help here, so 2, 3, and we can get rid of that 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9, and that 3 makes this our 2, 3. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this top row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. That 4 makes this our 7. We can get rid of this 7. For this row, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. Got a 2 here, so 5, 6. 2 and 6 here, so that makes this our 5, 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 8, 4 here, so 8, 9. But now if we look at that column, the only place our 4 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 5, 8, and no help here, 5, 8, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 8, 1. And that 8 makes this our 9, 8, 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8, 3 here, so 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 5 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.